I am Dikshit K. Subject Data Communication. Topic Wired LANs Ethernet. First we move on to the IEEE standard for LANs. In this figure we can see how OSI model is compared with the IEEE standard. Next we move on to the Ethernet evolution through 4 generations. Ethernet evolution takes place in 4 generations. The first one is standard Ethernet, the second one is fast Ethernet, third one is gigabit Ethernet, fourth one is 10 gigabit Ethernet. This is how the Ethernet evolution takes place. Next we move on to the categories of standard Ethernet. Standard Ethernet common implementation as divided into 4. One is 10 base 5, second one is 10 base 2, third one is 10 base T, fourth one is 10 base F. In 10 base 5 we are going to use the thick coaxial cables. In 10 base 2 we are going to use the thin coaxial cable. 10 base T, UTP and 10 base F we are going to use the fiber cables. Encoding in the standard Ethernet implementation, we are going to use Manchester encoder and Manchester decoder. Input for this one is 10 Mbps of the data and output is also 10 Mbps of the data. The cables we are going to use over here is twisted pairs or fiber cables. Next we move on to the implementations. First one is 10 base 5. We have input of 10 Mbps of the data and baseband is the digital, and we are going to use the thick coaxial cable maximum of 500 meters. Next we move on to the 10 base 2 implementation. 10 Mbps of data, baseband is the digital, and here we are going to use the thin coaxial cable. Maximum length is 185 meters. Next we move on to the 10 base T implementation. Here also we are going to use 10 Mbps of the data, baseband is the digital, and the cable we are going to use over here is the twisted pair cables. Next we move on to the 10 base F implementation. Input is the 10 Mbps of the data, baseband is the digital, and the cable what we are going to use in the 10 base F implementation is the fiber cable. This is what we can call the summary of the standard Ethernet implementation. We have characteristics, media, maximum line and line encoding. The characteristics for media for the 10 base 5 is thick coaxial cable, 10 base 2 is thin coaxial cable, 10 base T is 2 UDP and 10 base F is 2 fiber. And characteristics for maximum length for 10 base 5 500 meter, 10 base 2 185 meter, 10 base T 100 meter, 10 base F 2000 meter. Characteristics line coding for 10 base 5 we are going to use the Manchester, 10 base 2 Manchester, 10 base T Manchester and 10 base F Manchester. The line coding for all the 4 cases we are going to use the Manchester encoding. Next we move on to the fast Ethernet implementation. The common fast Ethernet implementations we have 3 categories. One is 100 base TX, second one is 100 base FX and third one is 100 base T4. In 100 base TX we are going to use 2 wires category of 5 UTP. In the 100 base FX 2 wire fibers, and 100 base T4 4 wires categories of 3 UTP. This is how the fast Ethernet implementation takes place. Encoding for the fast Ethernet implementation for 10 base TX, 10 base FX and 10 base T4, encoding of the fast Ethernet implementation we can see in this figure. We are going to use the MLT3, that means multi-level transit MIT is a line code a signaling method is used in the telecommunication system for transmission purpose that uses 3 voltage levels. 8B/60 means it sends 8 data bits as 6 ternary. Next we move on to the summary of the fast Ethernet implementations. We have characteristics, media, number of wires, maximum length, block encoding, line encoding. Characteristics media for the 100 base TX we are using CAT 5 UTP or STP. For 100 base FX fiber, 100 base T4 CAT 4 UTP. Number of wires for 100 base T4 that TX we are going to use 2. For 100 base FX 2, 100 base T4 4, and the maximum length for the 100 base TX is 100 meter, 100 base FX is 100 meter, and 100 base T4 is 100 meter. The maximum length of the cable is same for all the 3 implementations. And next we have block encoding. Block encoding for 100 base TX 4B/5B. 100 base FX we are going to use 4B/5B. Line encoding for 100 base TX MLT3. For 100 base FX NRZ, and 100 base T4 we are going to use 8B/60. Next we move on to the gigabit Ethernet implementation. Gigabit Ethernet implementation we have divided into 4. One is 1000 base SX 2 wire short wave fiber. Second one is 1000 base LX 2 wire long wave fiber. Third one is 1000 base CX 2 wires copper STP. And fourth one is 1000 base T 4 wire UTP. These are the gigabit Ethernet implementations. We can see the encoding in the gigabit Ethernet implementation. For 1000 base SX, 1000 base LX and 1000 base CX, we can see in one figure how the encoding will be taken place. For the 1000 base T, we can see in the another figure how the encoding will be taken place. 3 same encoding will be taken. For 1000 base T, we are going to use the different encoding method. This is how the encoding in the gigabit Ethernet implementation takes place. This is the summary of the gigabit Ethernet implementation. We have the characteristics, along with the you have the different gigabit Ethernet implementation. For example, 1000 base SX, 1000 base LX and 1000 base CX and 1000 base T. Maximum length we can see in this table, and block encoding we are going to use, and line encoding we have to use. For 3 cases we are using the line encoding NRZ. For last one, that is 1000 base T, we are using 4D PAM5 line encoding. This is the summary of the gigabit Ethernet implementation. Last one, we have 10 gigabit Ethernet implementation. We have the characteristics. We have 2 characteristics. One is media and maximum length. We have 10 gigabit Ethernet implementation is divided into 3. One is 10G base S, 10G base L and 10G base E. A media for 10G base S is short wave 850 nanometer multimode, and 10G base L long wave 1310 nanometer single mode. 10G base E extended 1550 millimeter single mode, and the maximum length for the 10G base S is 300 meter, and 10G base L for 10 kilometer, and 10G base E 40 kilometer. Thank you all.